Oh my gosh, the power, it's uncontrollable.
What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. Today, we're gonna be whipping the old Bentley Arnage, which honestly I think is super cool. There, now I don't look super bright. I was supposed to warm this up for 15 minutes, but I'm running late, so I guess we're not. Interesting enough about this car, this key is actually directional, so you have to put the key in the right way, and then it'll start right up. And as soon as I close the door, I think that's so cool. It talks to you in like French and stuff because it's a part of the Le Mans series, which is like, oh, that's cool to me. I've never had a car that's French talk to me in French before. You know what I'm saying? So, first things first for today, we're gonna be going to breakfast at my buddy's house. He's in town from Colorado.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Just finished our really nice breakfast. I went with Simon, his brother, and his mom, so it was really cool to see them. I haven't seen them for a while. Next thing for our events for today is we're gonna be heading down. We're gonna be going to the dealership. Boom, now we got this nice Audi, my SQ5, baby. Oh man, you can't tell me that it isn't cool in here because I absolutely love this car. Like it's, so beautiful. And then to bring a little more light in so you guys can see me okay, we got the full roof. That's gonna totally bring in some more light. Right now we're driving the Audi. We're gonna go pick up Omar from the Alfa Romeo dealership. After we pick him up, it's gonna be super simple, super straightforward. Then after we do that, what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna drop this off at the airport, get it going from there. What's up, bro? You wanna say hi to the vlog?
What's up, family? Where you going?
I'm gonna go pick up Omar.
Okay.
Yeah, pick him up, and then we're gonna go to the airport, drop this off, pick up the Jeep, and then we're getting food. You got anything?
I just got big business.
Sounds good, bro. All right, without further ado, let's get going with the day. What's up, broski?
What up?
Welcome to the vlog.
What up? Good morning. Well, afternoon now. I woke up a little late, so I'm still in my morning shift, you know?
Talk to me, what happened?
So, I brought my car, right?
Right.
The car does have a GPS unit installed in it, and it stopped working when I brought it here for service. And so when I left...
Okay, so to recap kind of what Omar was saying, basically he has an aftermarket GPS on there, and this dealership accidentally disconnected it, but the only ones that know the location and the wiring harness and stuff is the other location, the other dealership where he bought it from up in Van Nuys. So basically this dealership can't help him. He has to go back to the other dealership in order to get it all fixed. We still have this Audi drop off. We're gonna drop off the Audi, pick up the Jurassic Park Jeep, which will be your guys' first time seeing the Jurassic Park Jeep, and we're gonna go from there, which is gonna be sick. We just got into the parking garage. We're looking for our Jeep, and we're totally just gonna take the same spot with the Audi. We're looking for spot 2483. It's 2125. So I think it's that way a little bit. Ooh, the exhaust on this sounds good. We have a little resonator delete, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds actually pretty good. And look at that, I was right. Check that baby out. I think this is your guys' first time seeing the Jeep. I wrapped this all up. Check this sucker out. You got it full Jurassic Park, which is super cool. Looks like they tried messing with the top. Everyone always tries messing with the top when they rent my Jeep, and it's really annoying. But check out that sucker. Got it all nice. Got a Jurassic parked out. You guys see the logo? I love that thing. All right, let's go in here. Let's get this thing started up. Let's get out of here. Okay, so literally like everybody loves this car so much. Everybody's like, especially because of the Jurassic Park movie that just came out, everyone's just seeing it and they're like, oh my gosh, I love your car, which is really funny. Hi, Omar.
What up?
Okay, So we have this Maserati that needs to be driven. So we're gonna drive this and get it a car wash. All right, we're gonna put it in sport.
Where's the volume?
Ooh, there's the volume.
Ooh, I like that.
So yeah, get all up. What's up? Do I smell? I should shower, huh?
No, you really should.
Do I really?
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon.
Squeezy.
What do you think of the Mozzie?
It's cool. Not my favorite, but it's cool.
I like that it's dual tone.
Oh yeah, that's the only thing.
That's
But
like the thing that I like, but other than that, it's, I don't know, it's just a Maserati.
for Maseratis, the Ghibli is like my least favorite. This one in particular, it has a really
Least
nice
favorite.
interior.
What's your most favorite? Gran Turismo?
Yeah, I would say the Gran Turismo.
We used to have a blue and like tan interior.
Ooh, that one was
That
nice.
one was a nice one. And then we have,
Sexy ass interior.
yeah. Hey, this is a PG rated channel, no cussing.
Oh, it was a really nice interior. Really, really nice.
You get a little power. Hey, is that what happened right there? I should not give it too much power, huh?
No, do not.
Then something else will happen.
Please don't.
I'll be known for something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder what.
I wonder what. I don't know. If you know, you know. But nobody
If
does.
you know,
so.
you know. But I hope you don't.
So that was the
power.
That was the 0 to 60 on that thing. That thing was
Reaction.
Oh my gosh, the power! It's uncontrollable.
Body heat. Body heat. Let me feel your body heat.
What do we do?
Dance.
We just got Subway. That stuff is
Yes,
so
sir.
good. Gotta love our Subway. So we're gonna chow on this and go from there.
The only way. Subway.
Hey, what
That's
way,
not a pre promo, by the way.
what way does 5 gay guys walk?
Huh?
What way does 5 gay guys walk? One direction. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We have my boy Magnus in this. Welcome to the first day that you've ever been in a vlog.
Yeah.
Obviously, today was super cool. Be sure to check out tomorrow's video. We're daily. I'm done with all this BS. We are back. We're coming back, hitting it strong. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Without further ado, I guess there's nothing to say. So I guess it's time to end it.
We'll catch you on next video, man.
You gonna slap it?
Can you slap?
Yeah. See, easy, right?
Yeah.